Hi students of class 4, welcome to your social studies class. I am Shoma Sen Miss, your social studies teacher. Today I'll explain to you chapter 7, major landforms, and this video is connected to the lesson plan for 5th of August. Children, this is a revision lesson plan and revision video also. Now in this chapter there are 4 major landforms are explained. They are mountains, plateaus, plains and deserts. Today I'll discuss mountains and plateaus. Okay. Now first tell me, do you know what are landforms? Landforms are physical features on the earth's surface like mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, deserts. Now some natural process such as weathering, erosion of soil are responsible for the formation of these physical features, these landforms. Now first, mountains. What are mountains? A mountain is a large landform that rises above the earth's surface. So all mountains, you see children, all mountains have a peak. All mountains have a peak, and mountains have steep sides. Steep sides. Sometimes the peaks are covered with snow, sometimes are not. Now in this chapter there are 3 types of mountains are explained: fold mountains, block mountains and volcanic mountains. Now what is a fold mountain? When a tectonic, under the surface of the earth there are many plates. So when these tectonic plates gets pressure from 2 sides, it gets folded. Suppose these are the plates. When I am giving pressure from 2 sides, you see the central part is moving outward, moving upward. Okay. So this is the way how the fold mountains are formed on the earth's surface. Examples of fold mountains are Himalayan mountains, Alps mountain in Europe. Okay. Then I'll come to block mountain. Block mountains look like blocks, Some blocks you have seen, of course. Just like that the block mountains are formed. There are cracks. These are formed when cracks in the earth's surface force some materials of blocks of rock up and others down. In the middle, the rocks come upward forming blocks. Those are called block mountains. Example, Satpura and Vindhya mountains in India, Vosges mountain in Europe. These are the examples of block mountain. And next comes the volcanic mountain. Volcanic mountains are formed due to volcanic activity. Children, magma, ashes, gases come out from the volcanoes and it spreads out the surroundings of that volcano. So, during thousands and thousands of years, these objects are solidified and form a shape of a mountain which is called volcanic mountain. Example, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fuji in Japan. Okay. Now these are all about mountains. Next I'll come to plateaus. You see there is a diagram of a plateau. What is the difference between a mountain and a plateau? A plateau doesn't have a peak. The top is flat. Flat top. Plateau is also a highland with a flat top, but sides are steep, you see children, and can you resemble this feature with anything you see every day in your life? Yes, table. It looks like a table. So plateau is also called tableland. Tableland. Okay. Now plateaus are always lower in height than mountains. Now example, the Deccan Plateau in India, the Tibet Plateau is the highest plateau, and you know children, these plateaus are the storehouse of minerals. Different types of minerals are found here. Now many waterfalls also arise in the plateaus like Jog Falls in Karnataka and Hudru Falls in the Chotanagpur Plateau in India. So this is all about plateau. If I recapitulate that, mountains are highlands with a peak, plateaus are also highland with a flat top. Three types of mountain: fold, block and volcanic, and plateaus are storehouse of minerals, and many waterfalls can be found in the plateau areas. Okay. Now today up to this, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye.